Assalamu alaikum everyone. Our today topic is related applied research, which is a type of research. Before going to start, I would like to request and advise you people that we know that research is a systematic and a process of series step. So you are requested to watch the previous lectures because it is being designed in a systematic order. The first one is linked to the second lecture, the second lecture is linked to the third lecture, the third lecture is linked to the fourth one, the fourth one is linked to the fifth one, and so on. So today we will discuss about applied research. Applied research implies from the name itself that whenever we apply the results or theoretical knowledge to seek or provide solution to the existing or the prevailing problems, it is called applied research. We have so many definitions and research methodologies, but here from applied research we mean that it is a type of research through which we provide practical solutions to the existing or prevailing problem. For example, poverty eradication, global warming, juvenile crimes, gender inequalities, gender discrimination, climatic and environmental change, technology and health, and so many other topics. Let's have a look. Whenever we apply the results which are related to the topic like psychology, then it could be called applied psychological research. Mean to say that whenever we apply the results in a psychological setting, it becomes an applied psychological research. Whenever we apply the results to provide a solution related which are social problems, it becomes applied sociological research. Whenever we are going to address or evaluate the particular language concerns, then it becomes the applied linguistic research. It vary from discipline to discipline on the basis of the nature of the topic, but applied research is that thing which we had discussed earlier. And let's have a brief glimpse again that when we seek research oriented solutions to problem, it becomes applied research. Applied research has three types. Those are the evaluation research, action research, social impact research. Evaluation research, action research, and social impact research, we will discuss them in detail in the upcoming lectures. So the next thing is scope and focus, or why do we do applied research, or what is the importance of applied research. Let's have a look to the scope and applicability of applied research. In applied research, we are trying to provide solutions, or it's a problem solving technique or problem solving research process. We provide solutions to the existing social problems and social evils in our society. The second thing is to produce strategies, techniques, and effective methods by applied research or through applied research. We discover the most effective strategies, techniques, and effective methods for the solution of a particular problem. Third one is to provide evidence-based knowledge, to develop evidence-based knowledge, to solidify and modify the existing body of knowledge. It means that we through applied research we gather and we make the knowledge base stronger and stronger by doing applied research in any particular field or any discipline. The third thing is to verify and justify the theories. To verify and justify the theories, we mean that any theory related to the social problem, its causes, origin, and solution. Uh, Here in applied research, we testify, we justify to check the validity and reliability of any particular method or approach toward any for the solution of any particular problem. The fourth thing is the fifth thing is to formulate policies for the solutions of these social problems. These are all social related to social problems. For the solution of social problems, it helps in formulating the policies for a general body of society, or any it helps in management system, or which are related to any field of life. Either it is education, it is public administration, it is politics, economics, or any other cultural setting. Steps are a process of applied research. The applied research has also the same steps as the basic research or any other research design. These are the common steps. We will repeat them throughout this research process. In research process, these steps will repeat again and again. Recognition or introduction. From recognition or introduction, we recognize and define the particular problem. It is either related to poverty, gender inequality, global warming, climate or environmental change, juvenile crimes or delinquencies. We address and we state that particular problem, then we set objectives or goals, and set forward the research questions which we are going to address in this particular study. Then we go for literature search. From literature search, we first it has 2 to 3 important functions, it broadens our knowledge, it tells about the existing methodology. For example, if a particular person had carried a research study related to any topic, we see what kind of design he had used, what kind of sampling strategy he adopted, what is his sample size, etc. These things we see from the previous research or secondary data. The second thing is from literature search, we justify our problem, that it is a problem because these people has done research in this given areas which are related to our topic. It helps in the justification of a problem, so it's a good step. The third thing is it broadens our knowledge. The fourth one is methodology. In methodology, we use various designs which I had discussed in a previous study, but here we will repeat them again. Methodology, we use the techniques, methods, procedures and designs for overall study. It depends on the nature of the topic. If the our topic nature is a qualitative, we will use the qualitative design. Either it is quantitative, we will use the quantitative design, or either it is any kind of other design we will use. Like here in action research, mostly we use quasi experimental design. It is a quantitative design. So these things depends on the nature of the problem or the topic. The fourth one is data analysis. It depends on the methodology. Uh, like what kind of research design we had used. Every research design has his own methods and techniques for data analysis. The design which we had used here, on the basis of that design we will choose to the analysis tools, methods, and a procedure. The fifth thing is conclusion. Conclusion is also common in every research type or any kind of research. We drive the final summary, or we write the final report regarding the overall study, or what is the overall report of this particular study. Here in conclusion or in summary we state them. The sixth one is referencing. Referencing is citing all those resources which we had been done in introduction section, literature review section, or in methodology section. Wish you all the best and see you soon. We will start from the applied research type, evaluation research next time, inshallah.